Lesson 143. Uses of the passive voice. Tell me 4 common situations in which we often use the passive voice, please.
4 common situations in which we often use the passive voice are: 1. When we don't know who does the action. 2. When we don't want to say who does the action. 3. When it is not important who does the action. 4. When it is obvious who does the action.
Give me an example of each, please.
1. All the wine has been drunk. 2. A complaint has been made against you. 3. The doors were designed to close by themselves. 4. I was given some extra homework.
Resist. Resistance. Is there anything that you cannot resist eating even though you know it's not very good for the health?
Yes, there's something I cannot resist eating even though I know it's not very good for the health.
Would you show any resistance if a policeman tried to arrest you for a crime that you did not commit?
Yes, I'd show some resistance if a policeman tried to arrest me for a crime I did not commit.
Substantial. Bacon. Toast. Fry. Fried. Fried. Do you prefer to eat a substantial breakfast like bacon and eggs in the morning, or do you prefer something light, such as cereal and toast?
I prefer to eat something light, such as cereal and toast, in the morning.
Is it good for the health to eat fried food every day?
No, it isn't good for the health to eat fried food every day.
Approximate. What's the approximate population of the world?
The approximate population of the world is 6 billion.
Course. Starter. Main course. Dessert. If you're in a restaurant but you only want a 2-course meal, which do you normally have? A starter and main course, or a main course and dessert?
If I'm in a restaurant but only want a 2-course meal, I normally have a starter and main course.
Dine. What's the name of the room in which one dines?
The name of the room in which one dines is the dining room.
Marmalade. Jam. Pear. Plum. What's the difference between marmalade and jam?
The difference between marmalade and jam is that marmalade is generally made from oranges, whereas jam is made from other fruits, such as pears, apples, plums, etc.
Victory. What's another meaning of the country besides the countryside?
Another meaning of the country besides the countryside is the people of a nation.
Give me an example, please.
Most of the country was in favour of his election.
Shave. Razor. Heel. What do we shave with?
We shave with a razor.
About how long does it take for a shaving cut to heal?
It takes about 3 days for a shaving cut to heal.
Live. Live. Musician. What's the difference between live and live?
The difference between live and live is that live is a verb, whereas live is an adjective.
Do you think it's all right to perform experiments on live animals?
Yes, I think it's all right to perform some experiments on live animals.
Have you ever been to see a famous musician or band live and felt really let down by the performance?
Yes, I've been to see a famous musician or band live and felt really let down by the performance.
Mild. Remark. Look. Stormy. What kind of remark would someone have to make to bring a mild look of surprise to your face?
The kind of remark someone would have to make to bring a mild look of surprise to my face would be that they have the same surname as me, or that they used to live in the same town as me, etc.
What do we mean by mild weather?
By mild weather, we mean weather that is not stormy or very hot or very cold. In other words, we mean weather that is not extreme.
Why is soap designed for washing the face milder than soap designed for washing the rest of the body?
Soap designed for washing the face is milder than soap designed for washing the rest of the body because the skin on the face is very sensitive and can easily become irritated and itchy.
Proof. In your country, do you have to carry documents as proof of your identity?
No, in my country we don't have to carry documents as proof of our identity.
Saying. What does this saying mean? Home is where the heart is.
The saying, home is where the heart is, means that your real home is not always a house or flat where you live. It is a place where you feel most comfortable or where you feel that you belong.
Trap. What can we put in a trap to catch a mouse?
We can put many different types of food, such as chocolate or cheese, in a trap to catch a mouse.
Pot. Cooking pot. Flower pot. Coffee pot. Teapot. Name me some different kinds of pots, please.
Some different kinds of pots are cooking pots, flower pots, coffee pots, teapots, etc.
In relation to. Relationship. Relative. Overweight. Do you think most people in your country are overweight or underweight in relation to their height?
I think most people in my country are overweight in relation to their height.
Does your country have a good relationship with most of its neighbouring countries?
Yes, my country has a good relationship with most of its neighbouring countries.
What do we mean when we say that everything is relative?
When we say that everything is relative, we mean that what we think of something often depends on what we are comparing it to.
Give me an example, please.
A man is only considered tall if the people around him are shorter than he is. If he were surrounded by people who were taller than him, he would be considered short. It's all relative.
At sea. By sea. How long are you at sea for when you travel by sea from Europe to America?
How long you are at sea for when you travel by sea from Europe to America depends on the ship, but I reckon about 1 week.
Idiom 44. Touch wood equals what people say when they touch something that is made of wood in the hope of preventing bad luck. What do people do and say when they hope to prevent bad luck?
When people hope to prevent bad luck, they touch something that is made of wood and say, touch wood.
Give me an example, please.
I've been driving now for 10 years without an accident. Touch wood.